Okay, this is a journey of a 24-year-old guy who came for consultation on the 10th August 2019. This is a 5-angle photograph taken front, on the top, side, and the back. Now, today he's here exactly 1 year later. This is his front, on the top, side, the other side, and the back. Now, you see, this is very natural. Patient is very happy and his confidence level have increased, and he is very happy and having a new hairstyle now. Would you like to say something about your journey of hair restoration?
Yes, I'm very happy with the result. Okay, and I would like to thank doctor. So my confidence level has goes up, right? So yeah, I'm very happy, and all my friends is impressed with the result as well.
Okay, thank you.